Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to study Living Science, Chapter 3. Take out children, Chapter 3, page number 25, 24. Okay, first see. Let us answer. Page 24. Okay. A. See. Write the correct answer. This is a big animal. See. Rat, sparrow, hippo. So, you see. Number C. Answer is right. Okay. Number 2, this animal can fly. See, first, obviously, crow. So you take crow, tick, crow. Okay. Number 3, this animal lives on trees. Pigeon, tiger, crocodile. This animal lives on trees. Crocodile. Tiger? No. Birds. So sparrow lives on trees. Number 4. This animal lives in water. See the picture first. Yes, fish. So you tick fish. Fish lives in water. B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A dash has 6 legs. You know, insect has 6 legs. So crow is bird. So butterfly is insect. So right here butterfly. Number 2, birds have wings. 6 wings? No. 2 wings. So right here 2. Okay. Number 3, insects have dash legs. Yes, 10 legs. No, 6 legs. Okay. Horse questions. Guess the animal. Number 1. I am a big animal. Okay. I am a big animal with big and white stripes on my body. So you know, right here this animal's name. Number 2, I have yellow and brown stripes on my body. I am a national animal of India. You know, right here, national animal of India. Right. I am the king of the jungle. Which animal? Right here. Okay. Children, first one, you write the answer zebra. Second, tiger. And third answer is lion. You know na? Practice. Okay. Number G. G question is important, and here A, B, C is important. Okay. So G, here is a picture story of for you. Have fun reading it. Today is a holiday. Raju, you see Raju, and Minnie, you see Minnie, have gone to the where? Zoo with mummy. See the mummy and papa. See, look Raju, look, who's there? Who's there? Say Minnie, the say Minnie, The roars. So who roars? Lion. See, lion roars. Raju says, let's see the birds. See, they see the parakeet, pelican. Oh, sorry, parakeet. This is pigeon, peacock, pelican. First one, parakeet, pigeon, pelican, or duck, and the duck. Then Raju and Mini have a ride on the which animal? Yes, this is elephant. What fun! Mini is hungry. They sit under a tree. See, tree. Papa opens the box. So many things to eat. See, fruits. So many things to eat. Whom are they going to meet now? See, bear. They see the monkey and the rhino. See, rhino and the hippo. They are very tired. There's the zebra and the giraffe and the deer and the panda still to see. Never mind, says Mummy. We will come again. Okay. So, children, next page 27. So, J. Okay. Be kind to animals. Take care of your pets. See first one. First picture, second picture, third picture. So, write yes or no for each picture. So, you write here yes, no, no. Okay. Be kind to animals. So, you see the picture and kind to animals. So, children, important questions. Again I repeat, A, B, C, G and also J. Okay. So, practice nicely.